Hello friends, I hope you're quite well, and here mega bundle of Black Friday. These are PSD for Photoshop. First you need subscription for access on my all file. Go to sherryskpwd.com, just one time payment for lifetime access, and here my new store you can download things in cheap price or get subscription in just $10. Okay. Box Mockup PSD, and here preview. Total size of this folder 8.41 GB, but don't worry, I will compressed. Same thing here, Box Mockup volume 4. You can import or add your own product poster. Candle glass package PSD. Here 9 view of candle glass. You can import color or your own design. Chocolate, here 8 view. Next, craft paper box, 5 preview. Chocolate, ice cream paper cup, 6 view. These are PSD file, and here ice cream jar, and here milk carton mockup, and 8 view. So bar mockup for Photoshop. Okay, I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Love is